hear me well?
Yes,
Oh, very good. Okay, so how are you today?
today I'm fine. Thank you, teacher. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine too. And I just want to say sorry. Last time we didn't able to learn our lesson because of sudden internet disconnection.
Yes. Okay, I know it.
Okay.
Sometime I win the problem the same you with
Mm,
internet. Okay.
yes, if the internet will um not good, so will be disgusting.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so are you done eating your dinner, yo?
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready for our lesson today?
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay, how about this time? Can you see my screen?
Okay, I can see your screen.
Okay, so what was our lesson last time? Did you remember what was our lesson last time?
Last time we talking about solve problem.
Yes, solve. Is that solve problem
Yes.
or talk about projects?
I think talk about project is the last unit. Maybe I think so.
Yeah, so our last lesson is unit 10, right? Talking about projects.
Yes.
Last January 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we will learn lesson 11, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this time let's learn unit 11, solve problems. Oh, here we go again. It's very low connection. Okay, so solve problems. Okay, so how often you solve problem every day?
Yes.
Is it always?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay, so every day we will solve a problem, right? Or
Yes.
we can solve problems. Yes. Okay, so there is a quote of the day. Can you read the quote?
Yes. I can read. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us.
Yes, okay. Can you explain this quote? We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us.
Mm, I think
Say,
not give up. Mm, I think maybe when we try the best, we can over own problem.
yes, so
I
we
think
can overcome problem, right? To overcome problem, we should not give up.
yes,
You should not surrender, right? Yes, we don't allow the problem to defeat us, right?
yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, so here is the meaning of this quote. Um, okay, can you read this paragraph? Paragraph. Okay.
Okay, I see the paragraph. I read.
Yes, can you read,
Yes.
please?
Okay. Meaning of the quote: we should not give up no matter what happens in our lives. We should not allow the problems to defeat out, go, and dream.
Yes.
If you start something new, it's an obvious thing. You are going to face some issue
Yes. Issues.
issues.
Mhm.
But that doesn't mean you you have to give up on that thing. Don't give up
Yes.
just because things are hard.
Okay, so did you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you get the idea? So we should not give up no matter what happens in our life. We should not allow the problems to defeat our goals and dreams, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we should fight the problems. So if you start something new, it is an obvious thing you are going to face some issues. Okay, so
Issues.
everything we do,
Yes.
so we usually encounter or face some issues, but that doesn't mean you're going to give up that thing, right? Don't give up just because things are hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So very nice quote, right?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice quotes. Okay. So in this lesson, we will learn the electric equipments, then problems and solutions.
Solution.
Yes. So in our life, if there is a problems, there is a solutions, right?
Yes.
Or whatever we do in our work, in our
Mm.
family. Yes. Okay. So in every problems, there is a solutions. Okay. And let's learn the structure. Describe a problem. And let's also discuss steps to solve a problem and ask and check informations. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's proceed to our topic. Oh, but before we will continue, let's have a warm up. Okay, can you read, please?
Yes. Think of example. Think of example of electrical equipment that sometimes doesn't work. What kind of
Oh,
problem with equipment do you sometimes have?
okay. So, can you give some examples? Electric equipment.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Maybe sometime some electric equipment in my construction not
Oh.
works. I can bring it to some shop to repair it and bring it to the construction and continue my job.
Mm. What that kind of equipment? What's the kind of equipment?
Maybe it's um, oh, sorry, I can translate something.
Okay, it's okay.
Welder,
Oh, welder?
yes.
A welding
Uh,
machine. Welding
Curling
machine,
machine,
right? Yes.
welder machine, and curling machine.
Mm. What is that? Cutting machine?
Curling machine.
Mm.
It's make the steel uh, curling machine.
Oh, I see. I don't
Yes.
know that. I don't know that kind of machine. Only welding
May-
machine. Only
maybe
welding
maybe
machine.
maybe do my curling
Uh-huh.
curling.
Curling. Oh, curling machine. Oh, sorry. Oh, I know this.
Ah, okay. Yes.
Okay. So because I am an office clerk for 10 years for in sub construction
Yes.
company. Yeah, so I know this kind of equipments. Oh,
Oh,
curling. Yes. Okay. Very good.
Yes.
So now let's proceed to the next slide. So this time let's have a word power. Match these words with the pictures. Okay, let's match the word. The word connect.
Yes. I think connect is the picture one.
Picture one.
Connect.
Okay. How about plug in?
Plug in is the picture two. Plug in.
Very. How about insert?
Insert is picture five.
Yes, you insert a DVD in a DVD
Yes.
player, right? Yes. Okay,
Yes.
how about turn on?
Turn on is picture four.
Yes, you have to turn on the switch and press.
Press is picture three.
Yes, press the play, press the stop, right?
Press
In
remove. Remove.
Yes, on our remote control. Okay, very good. Yes, so connect, insert,
Connect.
plug in, turn on, and press. Yes. Okay, now let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, look at the instructions to set up a DVD player and play a DVD. Number the instructions in order that you could follow them. Oh, so example that you are playing a DVD play, you are turning on the DVD player. Mhm.
Mm. Yes.
What's the steps? First one, here is the example. Number one, connect the DVD player to the TV.
Yes.
Okay, connect. So this one, number one, right?
Number one is connect. Number one is connect the switch.
DVD, DVD player.
Yes.
Yes, this is an example. Number one. Okay, next. What will you do? What is
Uh,
this? Number two.
plug in the plug in the equipment in.
Yes,
Plug the
number two.
equipment in.
Yes. Okay, how about number three?
Number three, press the play button.
Press the play button. And number four,
Number four, um, turn on the TV.
is that the right?
Turn on the TV.
Turn on the TV. And the last one?
Insert a DVD.
Yes, insert a DVD. Is this the right steps on how to play DVD player?
Mm, I think it's the first is one.
Yes. Plug in. I
Um,
connect,
yes,
then plug in, right?
yes,
Then you turn on the TV
yes,
and you insert the DVD player, and the last one may be this one, number three, right? You
yes.
press the play button. Okay, good. Now let's proceed to the next page. So this time let's practice. Describe a problem. Okay, can you read please?
Yes. Imagine you are staying at a foreign hotel or conference center. You have a problem with a piece of equipment. Think of
Hmm.
a problem easy. There's no
Example. This is
example.
example. Yes, okay.
Yes. Example. There is no hot water and decide how you can describe it using the
Describe.
describable.
Describe. Yes, describe.
Describe.
Okay.
Describe it using the instructions beside.
Okay. So you will use this instruction. I have a problem with the what?
with a pile of equipment
Hmm. I think there's something wrong with.
with it.
Yes. Okay, next. I can't.
I can turn it on.
And then I pressed the button, but something happened. It doesn't work.
I think it's broken.
Okay, so this time, can you think a problem with a piece of equipment? Mhm.
I think it's broken.
Yes. Like for example, imagine that you are staying a foreign hotel or a
Mm.
conference center. So you have a problem with a piece of equipment. What is that? Like for example, the air condition, right?
Yes.
Okay, air condition. Okay, so what is the possible problem of the air condition?
Um, I think it's the air condition is not good. Maybe it's
Okay, you will say, I can't turn it on, right?
mm,
I pressed the button, but something happened. It doesn't work.
mm.
Yes, okay. So you can use these
Oh,
instructions. Okay,
yes.
okay. So now let's proceed to the next slide. Okay. So this time let's have a role play. Take take turn to be a guest with a problem and a receptionist. Role play their telephone conversation. The guest should describe the problem and the receptionist should be helpful. Okay, so this time I will be the receptionist and you will be the guests.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's have a role play.
Uh, you first because you a
Okay,
Russian
so
citizen
hello.
and I get.
Yes, hello, good morning. Hi, how can I help you?
Hello, I'm having some trouble with my room.
What's the problem of your room, sir?
I think my room is not doesn't have hot water. Can you help me?
Oh, I see. So can you wait for a while, sir? I just call the plumber. I will
Yes.
check your uh, water. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you for waiting.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So that's it. Okay, so that is another example of a problem, right?
Yes.
Okay, so um, now let's proceed to the next problem. When someone tells you a problem, you often need to get more details so you can understand the problem. To find out more, it is useful to ask check questions. Okay, also, have you experienced this on
Yes.
your
I know it.
work? Yes, I think always during your meeting, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, what did you do if there is a problem?
Uh,
What
uh,
possible
when
you will do? Mhm.
when somebody tell me a problem, I can ask they for clearly the problem, and when I answer them.
Yes. Okay. So to find out more, it is useful to ask questions, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that you can solve the problem. Like for example, oh, what happened? Why is it happen? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So those are some examples of your questions, asking questions. Yes. Okay. You need to ask questions in order to solve the problem easily, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So like for example, in your on your job, at home, or whatever problems it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this time, let's have another discussion asking check questions. Okay. Look at the procedures beside to see how we make questions to check if someone followed the correct procedure. Right? Check questions for the other step in procedure. With a partner, practice asking and answering the questions.
Yes.
Okay, this is the procedure, this is the questions, and this is the answer. Okay, question. Can you read the questions?
Yes.
Okay, like
Mm,
for example, the problem here is about plugging in the computer, right?
yes.
Okay, so question. What what did you do first? Okay, can you read the question?
Yes. What did you do first?
Mhm. Okay, what will be the answer? What did you do first?
I plugged the computer in.
Yes, I plugged the computer in. Okay, another question.
Did you turn the computer on?
Mhm. Did you turn the computer on?
Yes, I
So,
did.
mm, yes, I did. Okay, so what will be the procedure? Or what is the procedure?
Procedures.
Mhm.
Wait for the computer to start up.
Mhm. So this is the procedure, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to plug in or plug the computer in.
Yes.
Then, can you read?
Plug the computer in.
Next.
Turn the computer on.
And then,
Wait for the computer to start up.
and then,
Connect to the internet.
5.
Click on the email icon.
Mhm.
Type your username and password. Password. Click on check email.
Yes. Okay, let's practice this. With a partner, practice asking and answering the questions. Okay, we did that. Okay, now let's proceed to the next discussion. Let's talk about problem this time. Okay, choose a problem from the boxes below and describe it to your teacher. If you can make it real problem, name a real person, document, and etc. Okay, can you read problem 1?
Yes.
Okay.
You can contact someone. For example, a colleague or customer. Check
Oh,
question. Call her mobile number office as sent.
send. Okay, how about problem 2?
You can find an important document. Check
Okay.
question. Leave it near the photocopy. Login as.
Hmm. Problem 3.
You want to buy something, but you can't find the one you want. Check
Mm-hmm.
question. Look for supplier in the phone box. Try search.
Okay. Problem four.
You want to try work in English.
Mm-hmm.
Check question. Go to workreference.com. Log in. Ask.
Okay. In these four problems, can you choose one?
Hmm? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What problem do you want to describe? Problem one, two, three, or four?
Uh, I think we are start in problem one.
Okay. So problem one, how can you solve this?
Oh. Teacher, I can contact to my friend.
Mm.
Can you help me?
Oh, so all you have to do is to call his mobile phone. Do you have a mobile number to your friend or colleague?
Mm, yes, but I have lost my friend number.
Oh, I see. So do you know her office or his office
Oh,
address?
yes, I know.
You can find the telephone in her on her office through the telephone directory.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And
Yes.
you can ask somebody if your friend is around to her
Mm.
office. Mhm.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. I can do it.
Okay, very good. You're welcome.
Yes.
Okay. So how about do you want to solve problem two?
Yes.
Okay, this time let's twist the rule. I will be going to ask you and you will be the one to solve the problem. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hello you. You I can find an important document. Can you help me?
Oh, um, do you remember where you live? Is maybe it's near the photocopier, and you can look in some place. You
Yes, I've already find it on the uh check it on the photocopier, but I can't find
oh, you
the
can
document until now.
yes, you can look in your seat,
Mm-hmm.
the desk.
Oh, I see. So thank you for helping me, yo.
And maybe you can ask somebody uh, uh, somebody beside you.
Oh, okay. So I will just ask my daughter to help me to find the documents. Okay, thank you. Or my colleague. Sorry. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so problem three. You want to buy, but
Yes.
you can't find the one you want.
Mm. Yes.
Okay. Mhm. What do you want to buy?
Teacher, I want to buy a dictionary in English to
Mm.
learn English better, but I can't find anything, any bookstore, and I can find it in the internet. Can you help me?
Oh, look for suppliers. Can you look for suppliers in your phone book?
Mm. Yes, I have looked in my phone book, but I don't have a supplier for the dictionary.
Oh, I see. So don't worry. I will search some suppliers or good suppliers for your dictionary and I will give you the contact. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, good.
Thank you, teacher.
No problem. Welcome.
Yes.
Okay, so how about problem 4? Okay, so this time you will be the one to solve the problem. Oh, yo. Hello, yo. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, teacher.
Yes, I have some problem about my English study. I want to find word in English, but I can't find it. Can you help me where I can find the word?
Oh, really? Yes, I can help you. The first,
Where do I? Mhm.
you can go to workdifferent.com and
Mm.
type a work you can find in this web, and you can find it.
Oh, so is there another way of looking the word in English?
And if you don't find it in the internet, you can ask some some friend. They good at like maybe
Wow.
they can explain for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
Yes.
for helping me, yo. Okay.
Okay. You're welcome.
Wow, very good. Very good, you. Excellent. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next discussion. Now change the rule. Okay, use the verb in the list and ask check questions to your teacher. Ask as many questions as you can think of. Okay, so maybe this page we did it already, okay?
Yes.
Yes, because we do the role play, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so look at the problems and follow the instructions. Okay, can you read the problem?
Yes. Problem 1. Setting a digital projector to give a PowerPoint presentation.
Yes.
Andrew tried to set up a PowerPoint presentation, but he
Presentation.
presentation,
Yes.
but he couldn't get a picture on the screen. This
Mhm.
is what he did. He plugged in the laptop and projector. He turned them on. He connect the laptop to the projector and in the picture
Connected.
connected.
Yes, it's already past tense. Connected. He
Connect.
connected. Yes. Connected the laptop to the projector as in the picture. Yes. Okay, so are you familiar about this projector? Digital projector?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think? Is this the right way in plugging in the projector?
Mm, I think we can open the protector first, and
And then
after that we plug in computer to the laptop to the protector.
is it advisable to turn on the projector first before you plug in?
Yes,
What do you think?
I think so because the protector needs some minutes to start up,
Yes.
and after that
Okay.
you can connect in.
Yes. So, you will if you will on the projector, you have to wait 1 minute, right?
Yes.
Yes, before you. Okay. Now let's find out if this uh instructions is correct. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next page. Let's see if this is the correct procedure. Okay. So problem 1, setting up a digital projector to give a PowerPoint presentation. This is the correct procedure. Okay, can you read?
um, Plug in the laptop and projector,
Yes, you have to plug in first. And then,
and then Mm,
Don't.
don't turn them on.
Yes, okay. So don't turn them first. You have to plug in first before you turn. Then number three.
Connect the laptop to the protector.
Yes. So
See
after plugging,
picture.
see picture. This is the picture.
Yes,
Okay, so after plugging in the laptop and the projector, you have to connect the laptop to the projector.
yes.
And then after that, that's the time you will what?
Turn
Number
on
four,
the turn on the projector and wait for 16 seconds.
60, 1 minute.
60.
Yeah,
Yes.
60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we know this time that using the projector through the laptops, so
Yes.
you have to plug in the laptop and the projector first, then connect
Yes.
the laptop to the projector, then
Yes.
turn on the projector first and wait for 1 minute or 60 seconds. And then number
Mhm.
five, that's
Turn
the
on the
time you turn.
laptop.
Yes. And then the last one.
Press the input button on the projector.
Yes. So that's the time you press the input button to the projector. Okay. So that's the right or the correct procedure on turning on the digital projector. Okay, Yo?
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, good. So now check questions about each stage in the procedure to find out what Andre did or didn't do. You can use these questions below. Pretend your teacher is Andre.
Mm.
Okay? So you will ask these questions. If
Yes.
I will be Andre, you will ask me,
Yes.
oh, Andre,
Uh, what did you do first?
oh, oh, I first uh, I let the projector and I plug in the projector and the laptop.
Yes. And what did you do next?
I connect the laptop to the projector.
Mm. Yes.
Yes.
Did you turn them on?
No, not yet. Okay, so after I plug them both plug in the projector and the laptop, and then I connect the laptop to the projector, and that's
Yes.
the time I turn on the projector first
Yes.
and wait for 60 seconds before I turn on the laptop.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so then you can find a solution. Okay, now let's proceed to the next page. So problem two, can you read?
Yes. Problem two. Downloading photo from the digital camera to a computer.
So
Hannah,
this
tri-
time,
Hannah tried to download photo from a camera, but she couldn't
okay.
see the photo on her computer. This is what she did.
Oh,
She used the USB cap cable
cable.
cable,
Yes.
and the second she connect the camera to the computer USB
Port.
port,
Okay.
and the third she click on the photo
Wizard.
wizard
Wizard.
we wizard
Zard. Zard.
zard
Okay, good.
wizard.
Good. Okay,
She
so
and the last she follows the step on the photo wizard. That
very good. Wizard. Okay, so what do you think this time? Did she do
Mm.
the right way?
Uh, I think she do the right way.
She used the USB cable. She connected the camera to the computer's USB port. She
Yes,
clicked on the photo wizard. She followed the step on the photo wizard.
yes,
Okay, now let's proceed to the next slide and let's see if this is the correct procedure.
yes.
Okay, so can you read?
And I think she can turn on the camera digital.
Yes. Okay, so this is the correct procedure. Can you read?
Yes. Uh, Turn your camera on.
Mm.
Use a USB cable.
Cable.
Cable. Connect the camera to the computer USB port. Click
Mhm.
on the photo wizard. Follow the steps in the photo wizard.
Yes. So, what's the problem of, or what's the lacking of the procedure of Hannah?
I
She
think
didn't. She didn't on the
I
camera, right?
yes, yes.
Yes. So
She
this is,
didn't turn the camera on.
yes. She didn't turn the camera on. So, and the rest are correct, right?
Yes, it's
Yeah.
incorrect.
Yes. Okay. So you turn on the camera first, then use the USB cable, connect the camera to the computer. That's
Yes.
what she did. She clicked on the photo wizard and followed the steps in the photo wizard. Okay. So that is how to download a photo from digital camera to the computer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this time we solved two problems, right? How to
Mm,
on the projector using the laptop, or how to use a digital projector using the laptop, and how to download photo from digital camera to the computer. Okay, did you get it? The
mm.
procedure? Did you understand? Okay, very good.
Yes, I
Now this time,
understand.
okay, very good. So this time, let's proceed to the next slide. Oh, question and answer portion, like what we did on the problem one. Okay, so this time I will be the one to ask you. Okay, so can you answer these questions? So yo,
Yes,
what did you do for, oh, Hannah, you will be Hannah this time. So
yes,
Hannah, what did you do first?
yes. I think the first we can turn the camera on,
And what did you do next?
and we use a USB cable and connect the camera to the computer and click on the Windows and click on the next step on the Windows.
Okay, so did you turn them on?
Yes,
Oh, very good. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next slide. So let's practice this time. Let's complete the conversation with a negative question or short form of the past simple. Oh, so this time let's answer this. Let's fill in the blanks using the past simple tense.
mm.
Negative. Okay, so
Yes,
negative questions. Okay, like letter A. Can you read the example?
yes.
Letter A. Go.
Did you go to the product development meeting yesterday?
Product. Can you say the word product?
Product, product,
Yes. Product. Okay, so
product.
did you go to the product development meeting yesterday? So did is the past simple, right?
Yes.
Okay, letter B. Can you answer?
No, I didn't.
Yes, very good. Didn't. Okay, next.
I I was at a conference. Was Emmy? Yeah,
There. Was
there.
Jeremy? Yes. Was Jeremy there?
Mm.
Letter A. What's the answer?
No, he wasn't.
Yes, he wasn't.
He wasn't. He was on holiday.
Yes, very good. Next.
Mm.
Letter B, number 5.
Mm. Number five. Mm. Number five.
Blank, the marketing director, give a presentation. Yes, he blank. But there was a problem with his laptop.
Blank. You can write. You can
Blank.
type blank.
Blank. This one is blank. What do blank? The line. Yes.
Blank. What?
Uh
You
no.
can type blank.
Blank. This is the blank. You have to fill in the blank, right? So I'll just read blank. The marketing director give a presentation. Okay.
The blank is
Yes.
the same. The marketing director is a person.
Now, the blank is this the question?
Mm.
Yes. Okay. So number 5, what's the answer? Is it
Number five.
was or did? What will you use? You will use did the marketing director, or was the marketing director?
Mm. I don't know. I don't understand. It's
Okay, so did the marketing director give a presentation? Yes, he did.
ah. Uh, yes, maybe I think it's have a talk.
Yes.
It's have a talk, but I think it's a sentence. It's not a presentation
Mm-hmm.
because it's have a talk, uh, and I think the five blank is a sentence,
Yes. Okay,
not
so
a word, not a word.
mm-hmm.
Do you know?
Was. Did. How about the word did?
The five blank is um, have a dog,
Mm-hmm.
a dog.
What is
But
that?
I yes, but I think the five blank is a sentence.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, so
but
the word here is
because this is a word. Word.
did.
This is a word.
Mm-hmm.
And I think if the five blank is this is not have it don't have a dog.
Mm-hmm. What is that? Can you type?
Yes, okay. I can.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. The five land land have a dog.
The 5
And
blank have a
then I think is a sentence. Then mm, sentence. Yeah.
Then I think it is a sentence. Yes. So you have to answer the negative. Okay, so
Yes.
let's complete the conversation using negative word or negative question. Okay.
Yeah.
Short form of the past simple using was, did. Okay. If it is negative, it is wasn't. If it is the word did is didn't. Okay.
Mm.
Yes. So number 5. So you mean this is not a question because it end up in a period, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the question. So did the marketing director give a presentation? And the
Mm.
answer, someone answer, yes, he did. But
Mm.
there was a problem with his laptop. It didn't work.
Yes.
Okay. Number 7, the answer is didn't.
What did he do?
Uh-huh. Number 8, did. Okay. Letter A. He phoned
He phoned the technician.
tech
Technician.
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 Okay, good.
But
But
she didn't arise until
yes.
5:30 p.m.
So,
So the presentation didn't finish until 7 p.m.
okay, good. How about letter B, number 11?
Um, did Helga and Kay
Helga.
Helga and
Mhm.
Kay at the presentation? They are
Presentation.
good with computer.
Mhm.
No, they
Th-
didn't. They was in London.
There were.
They was in London.
Yeah. Yeah. Lesbon. Lesbon? Is it Lesbon?
Ah, Lesbon.
Yes. Okay. So, no, they didn't. They were in Lesbon. Okay. So, in this conversation, we use did and was, right?
Yes.
Yes, did and was is the short form of past simple tense. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, good. Now let's proceed to the next slide. So this time let's circle the correct word to complete the sentence. Okay, so let's choose the correct answer. Number 1.
We start with an idea and then we um,
Mhm.
develop develop
Yes, very
it
good.
into a
Develop.
product.
Mhm. Number 2.
I don't want to fail the exam.
Yes, of course. I don't want
The
to
exam.
fail the exam. Okay, good. Next,
The R&D department uh,
create or include.
uh, uh, include new
Eh,
products for the rent.
Yes, so include new products for the range. Okay, very good. Next,
Do you have any idea about solve the problem?
yes. Do you have any ideas about to solve this problem?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next,
Um, we need to increase the design because it doesn't work.
increase or improve. Okay, can you use the word improve in a sentence? Go.
Mm.
We need to. So the answer is
Improve.
improve, right?
Oh,
Yes. You need to improve the design because it doesn't work.
oh.
Yes. So the word improve. Okay, next.
Hmm. Everyone to plan,
Wanted.
want the
Past
plan
tense.
to wanted the plan to success.
Yes. Succeed. Everyone wanted the plan to succeed.
Succeed.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Next. The last sentence.
The
Manufacture.
the manufacture the car in a factory in Le-
Leipzig.
Leipzig.
Is it manufacture or invent?
I think in I think invent.
The invent the cars.
Yes.
No, I think this is a clerical error. You will use they, right?
Mm.
This is not the. They invent the cars in a factory in Leipzig, right?
Oh yes.
Yes, so this is
Okay.
clerical error. So this is they. This is not
Yeah.
the.
Mm.
So invent. Okay.
Yes. Say it. Yes.
Wow, very good. So, oh, we're all done. So, do you have any questions, Yo?
Uh, yes, teacher. Tomorrow I have a test at English. You can give for me some advice. Can you
What
give me some advice?
advice? What is
Tomorrow.
that again?
Tomorrow I have English test in Hello English.
In Hello English,
I have an
you have,
English test
oh, so do you have an English test?
tomorrow.
Oh, in our company, right?
In Hello English.
In in Hello English. So do you want me to give you an advice?
Yes.
Okay, so first thing you will do is you have to prepare yourself.
Yes.
Okay, and then review the lesson.
Yes.
Yes, okay, so you have to review the lesson, understand the lesson.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's it. You have to
Mm,
prepare yourself and review the lesson.
yes.
Okay. So what
Okay.
else?
Okay. Yes.
Mhm. So did you understand our lesson today?
Yes, I understand this. I
Okay.
understand. Yes, I think so.
Oh, very good. So we've learned, oh, in this lesson, we've learned to solve a problem about what? Some equipments, right? Or some digital projector and a camera using how to use digital projector and digital camera, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that's all for today, yo. See you on Thursday.
Yes. Okay.
Bye. Thank you.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Good night.
Good night.